Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin here. And today we're going to introduce you one type of our control valve. Let's see it together. Firstly, I will introduce the outside packages for you. And as you can see, this is the blue VCI and T-roast bag. And here it is the product SKU. The product is F00RJ02454. And it's China made brand new. By the way, here Caitlin want to mention that for this kind of logo label, the packages, etc., we can support customized service. So any of the customers have this kind of demand, please feel free to contact us. And now I will open it to share the inside details for you. Well, take a look. As you can see, inside is this transparent bottles, and it's very hard, can be better protected the inside product, prevent some damages during the transportation. The inside is the oil paper. As you can see, this is the whole side. Actually, we not only sealing the whole side, we also sell the separate parts like the valve cap or the valve rods. For the product, we had the quality guaranteed. We have 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of the customers feel not set with the quality, return or exchange it, all is okay. And if you look carefully, you'll find on the valve cap, there is the coating figures here. At here, Caitlin has 3 tips want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean the valve assembly, you'd better to clean it with the oil. Don't clean it with the water. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position of the injector. And the third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly of the injector body. That's all. And if you still have any interest about our product, please feel free to contact us or leave the comments below these videos. At last, remember follow us at a YouTube or the Facebook account and feel free to contact us. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Bye bye.